Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Now go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you see at the top right of your mobile screen. Select Settings in Privacy. Now tap on Privacy. Scroll down a bit and select Following List. Tap on Only Me. And that's it. This is how you hide your following list on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you'll know when we upload a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.